Hello and welcome to your class of economics. Now today we are going to revise a new topic, that is concept and components of investment. Okay, and that investment. So that is taken from chapter 2 and we are going to revise that thing. So investment. What is investment? A process that increases the stock of capital. Okay, that is called as investments. So you can denote, you can see expression of investment, that is I equals to delta K. So here I is represented as investment, then K, that is capital stock, then delta K, that is change in capital stock during the year. Okay, now this investment is also called as change in capital stock, is known as capital stock is known as capital formation. So investment is also known as capital formation. Now we see how many types of investments are there. So the investments are fixed investment and inventory. Investments. So now we will first talk about the fixed investment. What are fixed investments? It refers increase in stock of fixed asset of the producer in the accounting year. Okay, so fixed investments are those investments, you can say, means it refers to the increase in stock of fixed assets of the producer in the accounting year. Okay, these are the fixed investments. So what are the fixed assets? They can be said as plant and machineries. Okay, these are, for example, you can say fixed asset, it will be plant and machineries. These are the fixed asset for the producers. Okay, now if you want to find a fixed investment during the year, you need to do that fixed investment or fixed capital fixed asset stock, or fixed investments at the you can write fixed assets at the end of year. Okay, minus fixed asset at the beginning of year. Okay, so it will be called as fixed investment. So now see again, stock of fixed asset at the end of the year and stock of fixed asset at the beginning of the year, that is known as fixed asset. Okay, if you will subtract from the end of the year minus beginning of the year. Okay, you will subtract the fixed assets amount, stock of fixed assets, then you will get fixed investments. Okay, now this fixed investment is also known as fixed capital formation. Okay, fixed capital formation. See, you can see this. This fixed investment is also known as fixed capital formation. Okay. Now the significance of fixed assets. Okay. So fixed investment. It is very easy. First one, simple. Rise in production capacity of the producer. Producer. Second, higher level of output. Okay, then third. See, if the production capacity is raised, then the output will be higher. Means amount of output will increase. Then higher the output, then higher the economic growth. So you can also say that GDP growth. Okay. So as the production increases, the level of production capacity increases, then the level of output also will increase, and when the level of output will increase, then the higher economic growth is there in that area or in the economy. Okay. Now we talk about the inventory investments. Now, what is inventory stock? Okay. First thing, finished goods. That is unsold. Okay. So some goods are there at the point of time. At a point of time, producer have some goods which are not sold in the market. Okay, that is yet to be sold, yet to be sold in the market. So that is why finished goods which are unsold. Okay, that is taken. B, raw material. Sorry, semi-finished goods. Okay, means still goods which are there, those are under the process of production. So we can say semi-finished goods. Then C, that is raw materials, which are with the producers. Okay, raw materials. So these are known as inventory stocks. Okay, this is called as inventory stock. Okay. So these things are there, which is called as inventory stock, and now change in this inventory stock, that is called as inventory investment. Okay. Now, change in inventory stock during the year is known as inventory investment. So now I tell you the formula how to find inventory investments during the year. So how you find the inventory investments? See, inventory stock at the end of year, okay, minus inventory stock at the starting of year. Okay. Or beginning of year is known as. Then you will find inventory stock of the year. So if you want to find the inventory investment of the year, you need to do inventory stock at the end of the year of the accounting year. Okay. So minus inventory stock at the starting of the year. So the amount which are that you will subtract, then you will get the inventory investment of the year. Okay. Then, or you can say change in inventory stock during the year. Fine. So now we will find out the inventory investment significance. Okay, so first one, uninterrupted supply of good for production. Okay, if you have sufficient inventory stock, then it will be uninterrupted supply of goods for the production. Okay. Then second, can avoid daily purchase from market. Means if you have sufficient inventory stock, you need not to go daily to the market, or you need not to daily purchase the inventory stocks for your production purpose. So this is all for today. We will meet up with the next topic in the next video. Thank you.